This is Omkar. In this video, you will learn about how to install VS Code and set up MinGW for C++. Go for browser. I am opening in Google browser, Chrome. Search for VS Code, download for Windows. You will show a website like this. Click on that. Click on that. It's going to be downloaded. It started. It is downloaded. It is downloaded and open that. Just accept that and click on next. Install. It will take few minutes to install. After installed, just click on finish. Now your VS Code is ready. For C++, you need to go in this website itself. There will be a C++ option. Click on that. It will show some subtopics like this. GCC on Windows. Click on this. It will show you the procedure how to set up C++ on your VS Code. First, install VS Code. We already did that. Now we are going to install C++ extension from VS Code. Going for VS Code. Go for extensions. Search C++ extension. I have already installed it. You have to install for your C++. Okay. Come back to our browser. Next step is we have to install MinGW 64 toolkit. Go for browser. In this browser only I am going back. Search MinGW. Download. It's going to be here. Click on that. Just to download. Now our download has started. It is also completed. Now we need to install this all. After this completion, click on continue. It will load all. Just these packages, we should include all these packages. Mark for installation. Do that. Doing this all, mark for installation. Go near installation. Apply changes. Apply. It's going to be changed. It will take few minutes of time. Yes, it is now set up. Now go back to the using GCC with MinGW. After that, you can install MSYS2 using this direct link. It started downloading. It will take few minutes. It is downloaded and open that. Next. It is installing. It's finished now. Click on finish. It will show like this. But close it now. After installing MSYS2, Open now MSYS2. Click on this. Copy this Pacman code and now open it. Do copy paste here click on enter and do enter and press Y is done. It is set up now and close this one. After that we did fifth step and sixth step also. Now seventh step we have to add the W64. To do that, first go to folder and in Windows there will be MinGW folder. MinGW folder. Click on it. Click on bin. It will have. Click on this. We will get path. Copy that. I'm doing copy. After that, go for edit variable. Edit environment variables. Enter that. Change the path. Edit. Add by new. Okay. Right. After that, I forgot to say that we need to add this MSYS64 also. Copy this. Copy this. Add in edit variables. Path. Edit. I have stick. Done. Okay. Okay. MinGW has set up or not. We gonna check by command prompt cmd by using these three commands. Do like this gcc version def g++ version gdb hyphen version. Now MinGW is set up on your compiler. Now close it all this. Close it. Now create a one folder. Create a one folder. I am creating folder in desktop. Just by new creating folder. I'm gonna give name. I am going to give name C++. Enter. Now I am opening in VS Code. VS Code. Go for files. Files. Open folder. Open folder. Click on that. It will show like this. I have stored in desktop. Go for desktop. Here the C++ is there. Select that folder. It's going to come like this. Now create new file. I am saving as hello.cpp. Here the CPP means it is an extension of the C++. Now write a code. The code. To run this code in terminal. Click on program. You will get like this. Open in terminal. Give command g++ file name .cpp hyphen o again file name, enter. It will be compiled. Now you have to execute dot slash again file name, enter. It is executed. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe.